Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can cancel your Sage subscription or alternatively change over to the free plan so you're not spending any money each month. First things first, log on to Sage. Then on the right hand side you'll see your name and on the left you'll also see your name. On the home page, which is this 9 square box, then select your name. Then it will say manage business. Then from here you'll see all your personal details and you'll see subscription information. Select view subscriptions. And here you'll see the one that is active or not active, and then you can select manage subscriptions right here. Now, once you're on this page, you're going to see every single option that you have available. For myself, it's a sole trader subscription that's £7 a month that is active, or there's also a sole trader free subscription. There may be many more options based on your account plan. And what you can do is cancel your subscription. However, if you go through with cancelling your subscription, sometimes this can remove all your data or possibly create a bit of a headache. Now, for me, if I was changing accounting platform, I would cancel it and I would move on, for example. However, because I'm just looking to go down to the free version for the next few months before I need to submit my next accounting returns, rather than cancelling, I'm going to select change to sole free trader. However, if you would like to cancel yours, you would select that cancel button that was previously there. Then in the bottom right hand corner, hopefully you can see this, it says continue with subscription changes. You can select that. Then it says confirm, and then it will see and show you the new pricing amount, which I can have for the next few months until I need to batch do my accounts once again. I'm going to select confirm. The same thing will happen if you're selecting cancel, and then it'll say your changes were applied. Thank you very much. Please do leave a like and subscribe down below.